Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Arianne and I'm going to be showing you the horizontal figure 8 color switch, which looks like this. So I would say a good trick to get down before you practice this one is just horizontal figure 8s. If you look at the links, there's going to be other tutorials that will tell you a little bit more in depth on how to get that figure 8 down. And I'd say definitely get some practice on both your left and right side before you start this tutorial. Or you can just dive in and give it a shot. So to begin with, we're gonna start with a horizontal figure 8. And on the opposite hand, you're going to have your palm facing up. And with this toss, you're just gonna give a little light toss right into your hand so it catches with the same side up. And then from here, you're twisting your wrist down towards you, and then you're releasing the star so your palm is facing up. So in motion, it looks like this. So catch, toss. And this is how my hand ends up on that side. So we're doing a horizontal figure 8, open hand, giving it a little toss. And then from there, this is when we reverse it into a horizontal figure 8 onto the other side. And it puts you right in position to give a little toss in that same direction. And so from there, you're just gonna start practicing on the other side as well. I would say it might be good to help drill it on one side a few times before you start going back and forth. You're gonna go from a horizontal figure 8, open hand toss, dropping your wrist down, and then spinning it back towards you. I think with the catch, it really helps to slow down that reverse and let the gravity of the star really make its way around. That first motion, it's kind of quick, but I do wait a little bit to get the star to open up a little bit before I let it fling over to the other side. You can kind of slow down and get some control to really exaggerate that color switch and get an open star. And that's how you do the horizontal figure 8 color switch. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please subscribe and like to see some more. Thank you all for watching today. I'm Arianne and hope you all have a great day.